I'll feed you guys good.
I'm not seeing enough movement.
Have you no shame? I can't do this no more. Bro has a bag. Gooning with the boys. Bro was using his dog. Oh, hell nah. You're a liar. You see this big guy? He be eating all of the little guys.
We did it, Joe.
This just be the harsh reality. That's gross. Simp. Oh no. Next TikTok. This is kind of crazy. This is how they be making the sidewalks. This guy's delivering a package.
They fly now? They fly now!
That's a bingo.
That's a bowl full of sauce.
Scratch that. Reverse it.
Pronouns! Gender ambiguity!
Pathetic. You can do better. On God, no cap. On the bus? Oh, well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Nah, that's the Joker. That's him.
Mr. Beast!
It'd always be like that. Bro literally made out with his dog.